Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Kuromi. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the shape of the head. On the left side here, let's draw a curve down and in. Now from the top, let's continue it over to the right side like this. And then close off the bottom with a curve. Next, inside on the left, let's draw a curve down to the bottom like this. And the same thing on the right side. Now let's close off the top with a V shape. Let's draw the eyes next. Inside on the left, let's draw an angled line down. And then a U-shaped curve underneath to close off the eye. Now let's do the same thing on the right side for the other eye. Now let's color both eyes in black. And now on each eye, let's add 2 eyelashes on the top outside. Let's draw the nose next. In the center, let's draw a sideways oval. Now let's draw the mouth underneath. Let's start with a curve. And then at the end, let's draw a small diagonal line at either end. And that's it for the face. Next, let's draw the skull on the forehead. Let's start with an oval shape that's open at the bottom. Now from the bottom left, let's draw a square shape down and back up. And the same on the right. Next, let's add 2 lines in at the top, and then 1 more square shape down. Now inside, let's draw an angled oval on the bottom left. And the same thing on the bottom right. Next for the head, let's add the pointed ear shapes. On the top left here, let's draw an angle up. And let's move down, and we're going to draw another angle out from the side here. Now let's connect these with a pointed V shape up to the left. And next, let's add a circle at the very top. Next, let's erase the headline inside the ear. Let's draw the other ear now on the top right, but behind the head. So starting from the top, let's draw an angled line up here, and then another one from the side. And then we're going to close it off with a pointed V again, up to the right. Now at the top, let's draw a small circle just like the other side. And that's it for the head. Let's draw the body next. Let's start underneath the left side of the head, and we're going to draw a V shape down. and the same thing under the right side. Now let's hop back over to the left and we're going to draw another V shape down like this. And then one more to close it off. Next, at the end of each of these points, let's draw a small circle. Next, let's draw the left arm. Underneath the left side, let's draw a curve down. Now from the bottom, let's hop up slightly and we're going to draw a curve back in and up. Now underneath the arm here, let's draw a diagonal line down and then one more smaller line down like this for the side of the body. Now let's hop over to the right side and we're going to draw a long curve for the right side. And then at the bottom, a small line down here. Let's draw the right arm and hand now. Underneath the right side of the collar, let's draw a curve. Then from the end, let's hop up slightly and we're going to draw one more curve to close off the hand. Let's draw the legs and feet now. In the middle, let's draw a V shape up. Now from the bottom, let's draw a curve down like this on both sides. Now let's hop back to the outside and we're going to draw a curve out and back in for the bottom of the foot. And the same thing on the right. And that's it for the feet. Lastly, let's draw the tail on the bottom left. On the bottom left, let's draw a curve up and out. And then the same thing underneath. Now from the ends, let's draw small angled lines like this. And then we're going to close it off with a point. And that's it for Kuromi. Now let's quickly color her in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!